Welcome to Language Launchpad. Hi little learners, I am your friend Chotu. Today we are going to meet some domestic animals and birds and find out what their babies are called. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a cow. Her baby is called a cat. Here comes a dog. Its baby is called a puppy. Look at the cat. Her baby is called a kitten. The sheep says, its baby is called a lamb. Here is a goat. And its baby is called a kid. The pig's baby is called a piglet. The duck swims happily. Her baby is called a duckling. And here comes a hen. Her baby is called a chick. Now, let's listen to this poem.
Animals around, big and small, with their babies having a ball. A cow gives milk, its calf so sweet. A sheep bleats softly, lamb at its feet. The dog wags tail, its puppy near. A cat purrs softly, kitten dear. The goat jumps high, its kid so spry. The pig rolls in mud with delight. Little piglet squeals from morning to night. The chicken clucks, chick at his side. The duck quacks too, duckling with pride. Animals around, big and small, with their babies having a ball. Animals around, big and small, with their babies having a ball.
Did you enjoy watching this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and exciting videos.